How to write a rap song, the complete beginner's guide. In every genre, lyrics are crucial, but when it comes to creating a solid rap song, they may be the most crucial. After all, while other genres focus more on melody, rap songs and hip-hop music heavily rely on lyrics, rhythm, and rhyme. Therefore, in order to write rap songs, you not only need to know how to write a song but also specifically how to write a rap song. Fortunately, we've created a step-by-step tutorial that allows just about anyone to become an excellent rap writer. Below, we'll go over some helpful advice, how to create rap music, and what characteristics make a great rap song. The drama. Rap and hip-hop music both support telling your truth. Since you're essentially putting the story first, these genres can be more vulnerable than others. Although rap songs typically have a straightforward structure, the process of writing them heavily depends on the speaker's narrative. The listener needs to have faith in you in order for your rap songs to connect with them. Everything has a backstory. Flow. Rap songs, more than any other type of music, rely on flow. You don't need to have a catchy or distinctive style, but you do need to have a well-planned cadence with each phrase hitting the rhythm just as you meant. Practice your vocal delivery because rap music depends so much on your expression. Musical form. You must use many literary methods when creating rap and hip-hop verses. A rap song is significantly more impactful when it uses double entendres, idioms, metaphors, etc. In addition to rhyming. A superb rapper is aware that brilliant wordplay will enhance the listener's ability to relate to his or her personal experience. Beat. Rap rhymes and an excellent beat are necessary for writing a rap song. Although verses come first, don't discount the influence of production. Simply because it sounds good, a good beat can easily propel a rap verse to mainstream success. Online beat rentals, producers, and beat-making tutorials are all options. While the sound of rap music beats varies greatly, the beats of classic hip-hop tracks frequently feature samples of previously released songs. Rappers will occasionally base their beats on a sample or turn a song's chorus into a hook. 8 steps for writing a rap song. Do you feel ready to create a rap song? Here's a step-by-step guide on how to begin creating a banger. Keep in mind that these actions don't have to be followed exactly. In reality, when you begin writing a new song, your creative process may shift significantly. Consider these techniques as the fundamental building blocks for learning to write rap songs, but don't let them limit your originality. 1. Figure out your message. 2. Build a beat. 3. Find your hook. 4. Work on the rhythm. 5. Write lyrics. 6. Practice your flow. 7. Rewrite and edit. 8. Wrap it up. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.